tayo ngayon sa Service Convention, 51st Engineering Brigade sa Libis, Quezon City. So magkaroon ngayon na activities, kaya dito tayo ngayon, kaya attend tayo. Let's go. Expected natin maraming mga officialis, mga generals na darating. May mga advance party na tayo nakita kanina, daanan natin sa may gate. So honor to be here. Let's go. Okay. All right.
Are you ready? Stand by. Up. Okay, please be seated.
Navy Marines, Commander of the JPF NCR, very snappy member of Class 1991 of PMA. He happens to be my neighbor when we were assigned in PMA way back 20 years ago. Ganun na kami katagal magkasama ni Jimmy, even before the, of course, kadete pa kami, magkakilala pa kami. We have also in front, the executive officer of our office, the J9, we have Colonel Danilo Dupiag, Philippine Army. Very, notorious. Very enthusiastic XO of the J9, the Colonel Dupiag. He supervises everything that we do. And he makes sure that my instructions, even if I'm not around, is being followed by the different divisions and branches of the J9. Kaya importante yung role ng EXO. Also, the one who received me this morning, our host for this morning's affair, si Brigadier General Antonio C. Roca Jr., Philippine Army, the commander of the 51st Engineering Brigade. Wala pa silang representative dito. Sila yung host natin sa pasalamatan natin si General Roca. But I see many of our personnel standing, maybe we can request some chairs para naman comfortable sila for the rest of this day. We have also Commander Peter P. Negrido, Philippine Navy, Reserve, the Vice President for the Visayas of the Association for Reservists and Reservist Administrators of the Philippines Incorporated. Yeah, kasama natin si
Recording in
Peter
progress.
sa pag-organize ng ating mga reserves. And then, to continue, let me also recognize the primary officer who takes
Regional
care of
Service
these
Region.
activities. We have Colonel Ronaldo Zaragoza,
Sa harapan,
Philippine Air
panahon
Force.
pandangan lang ko eh.
and his personnel from J9. They are the ones in charge of preparing all of this. Kasama dyan si Commander Liberty Gamueta.
Tubig ba yan? Tubig?
Lieutenant Colonel Giovanni Toledo. Si Giovanni andon. Major Edgardo Marasigan. And with me this morning is part of the reserve force. He is actually the designated ambassador, goodwill ambassador for historical and cultural affairs of the armed forces of the Philippines. I'm referring to our reserve officer, commander.
Okay, so as an organization, nakita natin siya na military objective natin siya, but at the same time, it gives us honor. Diba? Parang pag nandun tayo, it gives us honor. Although we do have a foundation as far as our strategies.
Kasi kung bukas wala na. So ikaw matataranta ka, click ka rin kagad. So yun po yung mga tinatawag na red flags in cybersecurity. Okay? Yung iba kasi medyo technical na, katulad yan, no? Kung makikita niyo po yung HTTP, pag-click niyo yun, yung kanina na example natin, na live doon na kayo pupunta. Maglalagin kayo, bigay niyo yung password niyo, yun na. Hindi nga nag-isip yung computer, na-harvest niya na kagad. Ganun lang kasimple po. So, ingat-ingat. Next, please. Yan, katulad dito. Fake website. Sa amin po, sa mga sundalo, alam niyo naman po, nagpapasweldo namin dumadaan sa land bank. Diba? Kaya gusto nyo ilisin ng sundalo, ihack mo lang land bank.